Wall panels. From traditional installations, the interior wall panels have made huge progress. Today, they offer countless benefits, like high-tech materials, easy installation, low maintenance, etc. Below mentioned are some top benefits of installing it in your home. 1. High-tech materials. The traditional materials for wall panel was wood, but varied other choices are available today like MDF, melamine, etc. Materials like MDF provide greater flexibility in designs, textures, and patterns, while melamine offers more innovative wall decor and high-impact prints. 2. Numerous design choices. One can find numerous patterns and designs that would give you the same vibe of traditional like wood, marble, etc. You can also opt for modern designs like leather, snakeskin, three-dimensional effects, etc. at much lower cost. 3. Minimal maintenance. Wallpapers and basic painted walls require regular maintenance, as they are vulnerable to stretches, marks, indentations, etc. Wall panels are resistant to it, and thus require minimal repairs, touch-ups, or even maintenance, as they are easy to clean. 4. Easy installation. With wall panels, there is no hassle of grout lines, exposed adhesive, or any other installation remnants. Most contemporary wall panels have a clip-and rail or similar system which